Hello all, welcome back to my channel Clicker Who Vlogs. My name is Yatish and in this video today we are going to do a sound test of Comica Vlogging Kit. It is very good kit for all the vloggers out there who used to make travel videos, home videos, comedy videos. So this is the one thing that you need to look for. So this is made from Comica brand and exact model number is CVM VM10K2. So we'll unbox it, we'll check all the features. It has a shotgun microphone as well, mobile clamp as well, everything we will do, and we'll do a sound test as well with you. Okay, so stay tuned and let's do the unboxing. Okay, so first thing in the box is that it comes with a nice cushioned carry case. As a vlogger or as a traveler, it is very useful because you will be traveling a lot and last thing you don't want is to damage your vlogging kit. So having a padded case ensure that everything inside this package is secure and safe. On opening the case, you will find a user manual, and I always request my viewers to do read such user manuals very carefully for any detail and technical instructions and assistance. Next we have a mini tripod, and it is capable of handling any size of smartphones, and you can record videos from a distance. You can record videos from a distance as well, yeah, for larger and better frame that you want to have. Another good thing is the height of this tripod. It's very sleek, small, so you can record your shoots from a ground level as well. Another good feature of this tripod is this nice head that you can see. This is ball head. So if you want to change the angle of your frame, you just have to press this button, and you can tilt it. You can change the angle of your shots and frames. Okay, next we have a C clamp, and this is able to accommodate various size of smartphones we have these days in market. It is also capable of holding iPhone X, 11 and larger phones. You can also fit in this clamp. Now if you see, this is very tiny. You might be wondering how we'll fix our bigger phones in this. So you just have to enlarge this clamp by rotating this rotator into anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So you can see this way you can enlarge it. And you can fasten your tripod here. Very simple. That's it. It's fixed. here we will fix the smartphone. Now you can easily place your smartphone into this C-clamp, whatever the size you have of your phone, right? Okay, so now we have this clamp, C-clamp over a tripod. It is fixed. What else we have in the box is this very important microphone. It's a shotgun microphone. It is very cute. You can see a little one, very lightweight. I'll say it's not heavy. It's very lightweight, and it's come with the foam filter. This is a foam filter. You can just remove it, which is very useful when you are recording a video in outdoors, maybe in traffic or in wind conditions. This is very useful in reducing any wind noise which may destroy your audio while recording. It's come with this flexible base. You can see this is very flexible base. Now you must be thinking why it is so much flexible or kind of plastic here. It is because it can absorb any kind of vibration while you are recording a video. Your camera might shake a bit, but this will absorb all the vibrations while you are walking and recording, or you are traveling somewhere in a car, four-wheeler, two-wheeler. This is very useful. Another thing we have in this box is this wind muff. This wind muff, which you can replace with this filter, foam filter. Just place this one. See. So if the intensity of wind outside is more, you can fit this wind muff here and record your videos. So you can attach this with the mic now, and we'll do a sound test soon. Okay, so let us now attach this microphone with the C-clamp using the cold shoe. You can attach it in this direction if you are recording from here, or in this way as well, so it will work both sides. And just tight this screw, sorry, this one, and it's done. It's fixed. So depending on the side you are recording, you can just change the direction of mic. If it is in selfie mode or the other way around, just do it this way. So now we have fixed our tripod, our C-clamp and the mic. Now the last thing is to connect this with our smartphone. How we'll do it? So we have one cable here. This coil comes within the vlogging kit itself. Just plug this 3.5 jack to mic. We have input here. Okay. And the other end will go into the microphone. Oh, sorry, smartphone. Here I have my smartphone, so easily I can attach it. You need an extra lightning adapter if you are using iPhone. Otherwise, for normal Android phone, this will work. So the sound you are currently hearing is from my inbuilt smartphone microphone. I have not yet connected the shotgun microphone. It is the inbuilt sound. I am in indoor location in my room. Ceiling fan is on. You might be hearing some wind noise because the shotgun microphone is not yet connected. So let us now connect and see what is the performance of shotgun microphone. Okay, so now shotgun microphone is connected to my smartphone. I'm at the exact same location, same room. Ceiling fan is still on. I'm pretty sure you might hear a little difference in the voice quality when the shotgun microphone was not connected, and now it is connected. I believe The shotgun microphone is working pretty fine and cancelling and isolating all the unwanted background noise or the wind noise that was not in the case of inbuilt microphone of the smartphone. And if you want to hear and check the performance of this shotgun microphone in outdoor conditions, I am dropping a link in this description box of one of my vlogs which was recorded using this vlogging kit, Comica vlogging kit. You can just go and check the performance of this microphone in outdoor conditions. And if this video helped even a little to you, do like, comment and share this video. That would be of great support to me. Thank you very much.